Hello friends, today we will discuss about maps. What are maps? Maps are nothing but a diagrammatical representation of an area. You would have come across Indian maps, world maps. So if I talk about world maps, they are small scale maps because they have got very small scale. Whereas if you take a small area, it is a large scale map. Maps are classified into three different categories. Political map. First one is the political map. In political map, you basically find the political look of the map, which is the boundaries that every state follows or every region follows. So that is a political map that you can see. Next one is a physical map. A physical map is basically how the place looks like, how the soil is being distributed in India. It is a physical map. Okay, how every area looks like, okay, where there is a desert, where there is a grassland, where there is a mountain. So all these things you can see here. Herein you can see in this physical map, it is basically, it shows you the various rivers, only how it looks, of course how it looks, how is the irrigation that takes place at various places in India. So it is a physical map again. So it is telling you how physically this maps looks. So first one was political map we talked about, second is physical map, and next is a thematic map. Thematic map goes ahead with a theme. Like this particular map is showing you the Indian National Highway Network map. So from this map, you will be able to see only and only the national highways that it is going. It is not going to show you the political boundaries clearly, nor it is going to show you the physical lookout of the area. Like in this map, if you see, you can see the Indian rivers map. So earlier I placed a map which was showing you the rivers. You saw the irrigation, how it is distributed. But herein you are able to see only the rivers. It's not showing you any other thing. Maybe yes, the state boundaries are there, but it is not that very important. This is a thing. Okay, so this is an Indian river map. So all these are thematic maps. So which gives this particular theme. Now if you see, each and every map has got a specific component. Again, I have taken a river map. So the first component, it will give you the direction. North, south, west and east are the cardinal points. They are the main directions. Even the maps will always show you the scale. How much? So like 1,000 feet is 500 meters. So it is showing you how is the scale. Okay. So accordingly, what might be the distance from one place to another place? You can understand by the scale of the map. And not only these, the map also gives you the symbols that are being followed. If you find in this map, there is some bazaar, there is some hospital, there you can see by the icons that are present, the pictures that are shown, you can understand what kind of places or the landmarks are there. So that is also shown in a map symbols. So first, when we talk about map, we have seen it shows direction. As you see again here, this is a sketch of an area. That is also a map. It might not be a country's map, it might not be a state map. This is a map of a simple area, which is a marketplace mall. So it shows the map, how you should go, where you can find what. So you see there is a direction. It obviously has a scale. It can also be, maps also can be a plan, or it can be something that you might have in future. You're planning for something. Okay, so it might be a sketch of that also. Like in this map, they have almost placed that there will be a river over here, and then there will be a temple over here, over somewhere here. There might be few residential areas. So they have placed all these things. You might find it very clear in this area. This is a plan of a residential area, which where you see how they would have placed the different blocks in the in that residential area. So this is again a plan. Maybe they are going to take up a flat or something like this. So this is a particular residential area. So that's it in maps. Thank you.